Things going well. We are recording, so we have a good recording. All right, you ready? Hello, everyone, and welcome. This is Aurora with Supercharged Science. Today, we are going to dive into a fractions game. I have here a handout that is for class, and if you don't have the handout, that's fine. Just grab a sheet of paper, and we need 5 by 5. Okay, that's the size of our grid here, which you can see. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to give you questions that have these as answers. So you can transfer some of these to the grid if you'd like, or you can just simply write, kind of check them off as we go and then write the correct answer in the grid. It's up to you how you want to do it. Are you ready? So this is going to be a quick review of, well, we're going to spend about half our class time on this, of what we've been working on so far. Here's my desk. Shall we start with the first one? Okay, so the first one we'll all do together so we're clear, all right? So let's go ahead and let me move myself off so we can just use all the space to write. Okay, so for example, if I said 1/5 times 3/5, what would you say? Okay, you remember here, let me back up the camera just a little bit. Okay, do you remember where to put your hand? 1 times 3 is 3. And then move your hand. 5 times 5 is 25. Hey! Okay, so what do you do now? So now you go over here, and we look for 3/25. It's here. And so you can write it. Okay, if you didn't write it in your sheet already. If you already did, then you find, if you have it, if you don't have it, that's fine, and we'll just do another one. All right, are we good? You guys see where to go? Okay, all right, now that you're warmed up, let's try another one. Let's say it is 2/3 times 1/5. 2/3 times 1/5. Okay, I'm going to give you a 8-second head start. And you tell me what your answer is. Okay, hand goes here. 2 times 1 is 2. How about here? 3 times 5 is 15. All right, so now we have 2 over, is it 2 over 15? Yeah, 2 over 15, which is right there. Yay! All right, how are we doing so far? Let me see the look on your face. How are we feeling? Doing okay? You kind of see how this goes? I'm going to give you the question, and then you're going to come up with the answer. Okay, let me show you one more demo, just so you're clear on how to do it if it doesn't match what's already in the table. Okay, so watch this. If I say, for example, 2/3 times, instead of 1/5, what if we do 3/4? Okay, wait, don't do this yet. Okay, watch this. Do you see how I have the 2 and the 4 here? Okay, so this is 2 times 3. This is 3 times, would you agree that 4 is 2 times 2? Yeah, so 2 times 2. So this is the 4, and this is the 3. Give me a smile so I know I didn't lose anybody. We're good? Okay. So can you find where, because these are all multiplied, where do we have the same number on the top and the bottom? Do you see those are the same? Mm-hmm. So what is 3/3 equal to? Anytime the top and the bottom are the same, that's equal to 1. So these actually cancel. Do you see any others? Yeah, what about 2/2? 2/2 is equal to 1. So those cancel. What are we left with? Okay, because it's equal to 1, not 0. So this turned into a 1, that turned into a 1, this turned into a 1, this turned into a 1. What are we left with? So I only have a 1 on top, and what do we have on the bottom? So the answer to this one is 1/2. All right. Okay, you want to do another example? Okay, so the answer to this one's 1/2, so you can mark off 1/2 on your sheet. Good. Okay, so it's kind of like a fun game. Here's another one. What if I have 1/2 times 3/4? Okay, can we do the cancel game with any of these? Let's look. This is 1 times 3 on the top. This is 2 times, break this down into prime numbers like we just did. So 4 is 2 times 2. So it's times 2 times 2. So here's the 2, and here's the 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? So nothing cancels. Okay. So we're going to say 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And there's our answer. How are you feeling about this? How are we feeling? Good? Okay, great. You want to do another cancel one? Yes, we're going to get lots of practice. Lots of practice. Okay. Let me get a new one here. Let's say I have a number like, well, here, I'll just shoot 3/4 times 8 over 11. What is that? Here, let's just do it this way. This is 3 times 8 is 24, and the bottom is 44. So, okay, suppose we get 24 or 44 out of 44. Okay, so 8 is also known as 2 times 4, which is known as 2 times 2 times 2. That 4 breaks into 2 of the 2's, right? Okay, so 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. 4 is 2 times 2. Okay, so let's do this again, but we'll cancel first. So this is if we don't cancel, we get this monster number. This is going to be 3 times 8, which is 2 times 4. Okay. Make sure you get all the 2's. Okay, so this is 3 times 8 is 2, 2, 2. Multiplied together. 4 is 2 times 2. What's 11? It's just 11. Can't go any smaller. Okay, can you help me cancel? What do you see? Yep, this one cancels with that one, so that becomes a 1. Okay, not a 0. Not a 0, because 2 over 2 is equal to 1. And this big 1 is the same as saying 1 over 1. That's the same. Okay, here's another one. Look at that. Canceling is so fun because it makes your calculations easier. What is 3 times 2? 6. And 1 times 1 is 1 times 11 is... Okay. How does that look to you? Does that look reasonable? Okay, good. Okay, somebody's asking, what if you didn't see it and you just multiplied? Okay, that's fine too. So what you'd do over here is you'd say, okay, what number is the same on the top as it is on the bottom? So we'd break this down. So I'm seeing 4 here. 4 times 11 is 44, okay? And 4 times 6 is 24. So are you seeing how we could cancel 4's here? 4 is the same as these 2's divided by these 2's. 4 over 4. That 4 over that 4. And we get the same answer, 6 over 11. All right. Give me a big old smile if you're like, okay, Aurora, I got it. Give me another one. Okay, good. Exactly. Okay, let's do another one. How about this one? 1/2 times 2 over 5. What do you get? 1/2 times 2 over 5. Okay, go ahead, take a little bit of time. You already see the cancel, right? You can cancel it right here if you want. Okay, so you see the 2 over 2 cancels. Good. What are you left with? That's right. 2 over 2 cancels. They become 1's. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5, and you're done. That cancel was easy, huh? Okay, I'm going to give you 3 of them now, and then I'm going to give you some time to solve them all. Okay, so I'm going to give you 3. Here's the first one. 1/3 times 1/8. Second one is 3/5 times 7/8. The third one is 2/3 times 4/5. Okay, go for it. You've got 22 seconds. Do as many as you can. Okay, start with the one that looks easiest to you.